Hi, Amy Dwy. Hi, I'm Amy. I'm Station Manager within North Wales Fire and Rescue Service, and one of the other roles I have the privilege of is Chair of Women in Fire Service. Today's event is all about celebrating the hard work the networks have been doing over the past couple of years, and it really is an opportunity for us to speak to our staff, hear their thoughts and feelings and ideas on how we move our service forward. Diolch.
Morning, my name's Dany Cotton. I am the co-chair of the North Wales Neurodiversity Network. Our network is for everyone, not just those who are neurodiverse, but everyone and their families, to support and educate around neurodiversity and its effects and how we can deal and better improve our service. It's really important that we're here today at this conference to explore different aspects of our staff, the fact that we are all different and celebrate those differences. So yeah, it's great to hear some great guest speakers and then also share our knowledge and our expertise in our key areas.
Hello, Gemma Dewey. I'm Gemma. I'm the co-chair or deputy chair of the Neurodiversity Network. I got involved in the network because it's something I'm really passionate about, spreading awareness and helping others. I was really interested in Dan's passion for the network and really just neurodiverse issues in the service and in life in general. And I wanted to be part of that. So today, I can already tell it's going to be a fantastic opportunity to make connections with people, spread a bit of awareness, give a little bit of education, and maybe just provide some help and support to people that either didn't realise they needed it, maybe will take it home to their friends and family, or might just be able to work in a more neurodivergent friendly way for themselves or others at the end of the day. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to today.
Hiya, Natalie Jones dwi, swyddogaeth Gymraeg, a fi sy'n cyfeirio grŵp llywodraethu y iaith Gymraeg yn y gwasanaeth. So, da ni yma heddiw yn y gynhadledd yma i ddangos sut da ni'n cefnogi staff ni, sut da ni'n hyrwyddo'r Gymraeg, a hefyd pethau da ni'n neud yn y gymuned i wneud siŵr bod pobl yn gwybod bod gynnyn nhw ddewis iaith.
Hello, Jamie Adawi. My name's Jamie. I'm the lead of the Fire Pride Network. So the Fire Pride Network is there to promote inclusion for LGBTQ+ people in our service and in the community. And today is a brilliant event for everyone to come together to learn more about the network, what it is to become a Fire Pride ally, to give support to other people, and overall just to engage more with the people.
Hi, I'm Michaela Dwy. I'm Michaela. I'm the chair of the Reach Staff Network, and the purpose of the staff network is to bring people together with different religions, ethnicity, cultural heritage. It's an open platform, everyone's welcome, and we can share our stories and backgrounds.
Hi, I'm Benji, the Call to Diversity Lead at North Wales Fire and Rescue, and today's event, All That We Are, has been organised by our staff networks. So historically, each of the staff networks would have their quarterly meeting, and through the financial year would have a guest speaker. Today's event, the event is brought all the speakers together as an all-day conference, and it's a great opportunity to sort of look at intersectionality in its broadest sense and focus on call to diversity inclusion.
Wel, mae heddi yn cyfle gwych i ddysgu am y bobl gwahanol sydd yn ein gymunedau, yn ein gwlad ni, ond hefyd cyfle i gwrando i'r storïau a straeon sydd wedi bod. A fel person sydd yn caru'r iaith Gymraeg, dwi yma heddiw i roi sgwrs a bach o brofion fi am sut mae'r iaith Gymraeg wedi newid fi, hyd yn oed yn unrhyw swydd dwi gyda. A fi'n siŵr mae hwnna'n gallu creu effaith ar y gwasanaeth tan, ond ie, mae mor gyffroes bod yma, a mae'n pleser i fod yma hefyd, fi'n teimlo'n barch.
Helo, Gwyn dwi. Cael diwrnod gwych heddiw yn Tanio. Lot o siaradwyr inspirational iawn, a lot i feddwl amdan i mynd o yma heddiw yma.
Hi, Olivia Rydwy. Today has been a wonderful motivational event and I've really enjoyed myself.